Welcome to my channel Top Travel. Are you preparing for your next adventure but dreading the task of packing? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing some practical tips and advice on how to pack for a trip like a pro. From choosing the right luggage to packing your clothes efficiently, we'll walk you through the process step by step. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time adventurer, sit back, relax, and get ready to become a packing pro. Before videos start, must subscribe my YouTube channel. Packing for a trip can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. With a little bit of planning and organization, you can pack efficiently and make sure you have everything you need for your trip. The first step in packing is to make a packing list. Think about everything you'll need for your trip, from clothing and toiletries to electronics and travel documents. Write it all down so you don't forget anything. Next, choose the right luggage for your trip. Consider the length of your trip and the type of activities you'll be doing. If you're only going away for a weekend, a backpack or duffel bag might be more convenient. If you're going on a longer trip or need to bring a lot of gear, a suitcase might be a better option. When it comes to packing your clothes, choose items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Stick to basic colors that can be easily coordinated. And instead of folding your clothes, try rolling them. This will save space in your luggage and help prevent wrinkles. To stay organized, use packing cubes to group similar items together. For example, pack all of your shirts in one cube, your pants in another, and your underwear and socks in a third. This will help you find what you need quickly and easily. When packing shoes, place them at the bottom of your luggage. This will create a solid base for the rest of your items and prevent them from shifting around during transit. For bulky items, such as a winter coat or a sleeping bag, use a compression bag to reduce their size and make them easier to pack. Remember not to overpack. Stick to the essentials and leave room for any souvenirs or other items you might pick up on your trip. By following these simple tips, you can pack efficiently and make sure you have everything you need for your trip. Happy travels! Thanks for watching our video on how to pack for a trip. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they will make your next adventure a little less stressful. Remember, the key to packing efficiently is to plan ahead, stay organized, and pack only what you need. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and advice. Safe travels!